ever play with a magic 8-ball? The notion is to ask a question of this modern-day oracle, shake the ball, and wait as a number of potential responses float and swirl inside the murky, ink-like contents within the ball. Eventually, one ordained message rises, presses itself against the surface of the window on the bottom of the 8-ball, and bingo! You have your answer. Call this superstition, call it diving for assurance, call it a mindless what-if exercise. The thing many of us are playing with in these situations is our almost overwhelming desire for answers and solutions now. I wonder how much of life is squandered when we prematurely look for answers and solutions that are not yet fully baked. Life may be less about decision points and problems that need to be solved, and life might be more ambiguous and murky, and not so full of absolute absolutes. It might be more like the inky inner 8-ball ocean. What if life could be better described as a process involving waiting, gathering more information, gaining stronger understanding? What if we dealt with life as a place where clarity is allowed to fully crystallize and additional experiences are invited in order to nurture full and abundant meaning-making? What if we decided to set aside our 8-ball answer-seeking? We just left it on the shelf and watched it collect a layer of dust. What would happen if we all grew in being patient with the process of not knowing? Would giving things a tiny bit more time and a ton of more mindful patience actually become one of the healthiest practices we could ever adopt? Try it. Step away from your 8-ball. Step away from having to know all the answers and find all the solutions right now. See what happens.